wine and paint night type situation, but I was really in the mood to paint today, and this is what I came up with. I haven't painted since my last painting video, which was over a year ago, which is so crazy because I used to do art all the time when I was younger, and I've just kind of lost it over the years, which is so sad. And I'm gonna start painting and drawing more because it just uses a different part of your brain. It's so relaxing and it just brings you into a different space. So I wanted to challenge you guys. I know that a lot of people think that they aren't creative because they feel like they can't paint or they can't draw super amazingly. That's not really a word, but it's okay. But you don't have to be the most talented artist to make art. Everyone can make art just like we did when we were kids. So I want to challenge you guys to do something creative that you wouldn't normally do this week, and then let me know what that is. Message me on Instagram, comment down below what creative thing you are going to do this week. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!